Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you why is Cash App closing people's accounts and how to get your account back. Let's get started. It can be very concerning to find that your Cash App account has been closed or suspended. Understanding the common reasons behind this can help you prevent it in the future and guide your efforts to get it reinstated. Cash App typically closes accounts for violations of their terms of service. This can include suspicious or fraudulent activity, such as attempting to send or receive money from scam accounts. It can also happen if you frequently dispute transactions or initiate chargebacks through your bank instead of using Cash App's dispute system. Other reasons involve suspicious login activity from unrecognized devices or locations, or failing to complete their identity verification process when prompted. If your account has been closed or suspended, your first and most important step is to contact Cash App support directly. To do this, start by opening the Cash App on your phone. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed from the App Store or Google Play Store to ensure everything works correctly. Once the app is open, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account menu. From here, you need to scroll all the way down this menu until you see the support option. Tap on Support to enter the Help section. Now, look for and select the option that says Account Settings. Within the Account Settings menu, you will then need to tap on Accessing Your Account, or a similar option that deals with account access issues. Scroll down again on the next screen until you find the Contact Us button. Tapping this will open a chat window where you can communicate directly with a Cash App support agent. In the chat, clearly and politely explain your situation. State that your account has been closed or suspended and that you would like to understand why, and request that it be reviewed for reinstatement. Be prepared to provide any information they ask for to verify your identity and ownership of the account. The support team will review your case and inform you of the necessary steps to potentially recover your account. This process requires patience, as it can take some time for them to investigate and respond.